Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a numbered list in the documents and tasks using the Craft application. So let us get started. So head over to the Craft app, here the desktop version for example, navigate to a specific task, or you can do this also with a document. So let me navigate to, let's say, this task here, and then click into the text field, enter the command / and then you won't find it under numbered lists. Instead, you will need to enter the command list, and then here you'll see numbered, right? And the first item in this case here, the first bullet point, number 1, will be added. So type in your content here, press enter, skip to the next line, and so on and so forth. To give an indentation, press tab, and that is going to add the subpoint 1. So as you can see, it is really not too difficult. Press enter, you may indent again, or to remove the indentation, guys, you will need to press, if I remember correctly, use the shortcut tab and shift. Yes, so shift and tab, that order, and to remove the indentation. And that's it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and have a fantastic day.